Guess the bird with Brit Hikes Ontario.
Hi everyone, Stu, aka Brit Hikes Ontario here. I'm going to show you 10 birds. You have 10 seconds to guess each bird. See how many you can get. Quick, what bird is this? You got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. It's a blue jay. Although some migrate south, many will stay in Ontario, and so they can be found all through the year here, much of Canada and the USA. They're a vibrant blue with a slight crest, which can raise if they become agitated. The chest is a buffy white, and they have a black collar which continues up the sides and around the head. Try to guess the next bird. My missus, Sarah, is going to tell you about it after.
Thanks, Stu. It's a red-breasted nuthatch. Named for the cinnamon red breast that continues to the bird's underparts, it is the smaller of the two species commonly found in Ontario. It has a distinctive black eyeline that runs from the beak to the bluish-gray wings. The rest of the head is white, apart from a black cap. These birds can cling to the sides of trees, but shouldn't be mistaken for woodpeckers. They are much smaller.
Thanks, Sarah. Next bird. It's an American robin. They're found throughout Ontario in the warmer months, but just in the south of Ontario during the winter. They're well adapted to urban life. As in the last clip, they like to eat worms and can be often seen on grass lawns. They also like to nest around the outside of people's homes.
This is a white-breasted nuthatch. It is larger than the red-breasted nuthatch and only has a small amount of red in the underparts, but it lacks the strong black eyeline. It has a black cap, sometimes gray on females.
The black-capped chickadee, a very inquisitive bird. They love to investigate. They're found everywhere in Ontario, south of the tundra. They have a black bib and black cap with white cheeks and a buffy to white underside.
The northern cardinal. It is found all year round, but mostly in southern Ontario. The male is a distinctive bright red, the female a more brownish color. They have a strong crest and they keep the same coloration all year, making them perhaps the most recognizable bird in southern Ontario.
This is a northern mockingbird. It is grey in colour with an above average length tail. It has white wing patches and white outer tail feathers which are distinct in flight or when it hops around, but you'll often hear it before you see it. Mockingbirds copy the songs and calls of other birds.
Snowy owls spend the winter in Ontario, but once the temperature warms, they breed in the Arctic tundra. Adult males tend to be white all over, while immatures and females have some black barring. Their eyes are bright yellow.
The American goldfinch. A fairly common sight in gardens, this bird is a bright yellow colour with black wings and white wing bars. The males have a black cap. They can be found in southern Ontario all year, but they molt and sport duller, more brown-looking plumage outside of their breeding season. In northern Ontario, they tend to fly south outside of the summer. The last bird now.
This one is the red-winged blackbird. Males are black all over, apart from the red-yellow patches on their wings. Females are mostly brown, their breasts are white and brown streaked. They are a very territorial bird found south of Hudson's Bay from spring to fall, but most of them migrate south during the winter, with perhaps a few remaining in the very southern parts of Ontario.
Thanks for watching this video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. There'll be more bird quizzes coming soon. Please give me a subscribe. If you hit the subscribe button, you won't miss future quizzes. I hope this was fun and educational. Check out my website, brithikesontario.com. Thanks again for watching. Happy birding.